Yeah, hi, Lyndon, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your laser for you. Okay, so basically I've taken it apart and I've checked it. Now, the cogs were quite crapped up, and I mean crapped up, so I've given them a good clean, the best I can. You know, it looks to me like this could have possibly been on a pub or a club at some stage because it is quite grimy. But I've cleaned most of it out for you. Checked the micro switch, and I've put a brand new laser in there for you. Okay, and I've had it on test now for probably about 2.5 hours, to be honest with you. So, you know, I've checked the board as well. The board looks fine, but it's, you know, it has had some wear. You know, it's come out of a well-used unit, so you know everything seems to be okay. You know, I'm not saying I was just saying it was crapped up pretty bad, but it's all working, as you can see. So yeah, you got a 6-month warranty on the part that I've replaced and the labour that goes in with that. You know, we replaced that free of charge. All we ever ask for is the postage back to you, which is about £4.50. So yeah, all good. So that's going to go out to you tomorrow morning. So hopefully you should get that Tuesday. So you got something to listen to while you're in that lockdown for the next month. So thank you very much. I do appreciate your business, and look after yourself and stay safe and try and stay away from this coronavirus. Cheers, buddy. Have a great one. I'll just turn it up so you can hear it. So yeah, thanks again. Have a good one.